So now I'll show you how you can convert your 3D logo like this in Blender from a PNG 2D image. So first of all, let me just put it aside. Okay, what you gotta do is, first of all, if you have a PNG file, make sure to convert into an SVG file. To convert it into an SVG file, you have to go to the browser and search for PNG to SVG, and you can just select any website to convert into a SVG file. What you gotta do is, the SVG file looks like a black and white file, it doesn't show much colors, so you have to go select it and import it as SVG. You'll be seeing it if I just let me just scale it nicely. Just let me do the rotations so that you guys can see nicely. Wait a second, it's on Y. Rotation Y 90, rotation Y minus 90. Okay, so you have this. Currently it's in curve, so you have to go to object, convert into a mesh. Now all the faces will disappear. What you got to do is go to edit mode, press tab for that, select everything and press F. You will be able to yep, the faces will appear and set properly. And you can also do this with you can where was it, just press F. Okay, the faces will appear if you don't see faces. If you already have faces, you just have to extrude it like this, like press E, and you'll be able to extrude it on Z axis. If you want, you can also move it like that if you wish to, but it doesn't look nice, so I'll just leave it alone. Now you have to check for the back face culling. If you see the faces have disappeared, and now you have to make sure they work properly. Go to mesh, normals, and recalculate outside. The faces will be fixed automatically and you will be able to good to go. Also, if you want to have like a good texturing thing, make sure you unwrap it into a smart UV project. That doesn't take much time. Okay, so now you have this, and now we'll go to the colored mode, like the viewport shading mode. Now my 3D logo is ready. I need just texturing. What you gotta do is, if you have a simple logo which is like square or triangle with single face, not these, I have currently multiple faces. If you have a single face, what you gotta do is just make sure add a new material, change the base color to image texture, and choose the image texture of the PNG file of your logo, and it will be set automatically. But for my case, I have to change it like into I have to assign different materials. For that, I'll select this, add all the 4 color materials one by one, and there we go. Now in the edit mode, what I have to do is just select this, and now your logo is good to go. Okay, so that's how you create a 3D logo in Blender. It sure takes a little time, but it's worth it if you want to make your project good or nice. So that's how you do it.